Tina, they got Poopy Head, the game.
We were just talking.
Shocking.
Car is static.
Oh.
Wanna go golfing?
Morning.
Good morning. Hi. This is a family affair, right?
What are these? Ping. Ping. How much are your golf clubs? $1 a piece. Okay. Okay. Kids golf. Odyssey. TaylorMade. Take 2 of them. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
How much for your...
$1. It's actually, you can do it as motion detect, like, so.
It's in a walk style.
Puzzles.
That's cool.
It can scare people.
Techno beat.
Yeah, they're down to 2. 3. There were 3 last month. Now they're 2.
Oh, cool.
I don't know much about them.
Me either. 2013.
Chat and chill. I thought it was Netflix and chill. Not chat and
It
chill.
can be both. 2014.
How old did you have to be?
90s
Wow.
to be really valuable.
I think she's doing 5 for $1. Literally, see, I'm surprised that they didn't say anything.
What are these? Look at these. Hot Shot hockey game. That's cool.
No, they got them, but just
Talking football. How much are these old games?
They're my husband's, and he says that there's some figures in there, and just the figures by themselves are worth 30, but I'm still just asking 20 for the game.
20,
The whole thing.
20 each game?
Well, the hockey games. I don't know about the other one. What's the middle one? Football.
It says Talking Football.
Yeah, that one $5.
Okay. And how much are the Pokemons?
Pokemons are 7 for $1.
7 cards for $1? Okay.
Oh yeah, totally.
Interesting.
I'm enjoying the fun. You can have
Trina, what's the size of the road?
the outdoor one. Feel free, yeah, open it up. I don't know.
Do you have a whole box price or no? Do you have a whole box price or no for the Pokemon?
Oh, maybe. I have a measuring tape.
15 bucks? Sure. That might even be more than it would be doing it the hard way.
That's why I wanted you to tell me, because I don't know.
All right, so these are $2, so that's 17. And then if I got all 3 games, that would be what, 45 bucks? So 45 plus 17. Can we round that down $2? So it's 15 plus 45, $60.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All right, I'll do that. 20, 40, 60 bucks. I'll keep looking too. But there. So, thank you. Plants vs. Zombies.
Yeah, it's Monopoly.
This is Monopoly. Interesting.
Thank you, Walter.
I'm gonna open it, but I don't think I've got the strength. You guys selling any action figures? Like little toys? Books.
There's a separate.
Yeah.
Look at this game. Tina, they got Poopy Head, the game.
We were just talking.
So what?
Does it have little, oh, it's got little poops. It's got a little whoopee cushion.
Yeah, it's very fun.
Wow.
Never played that.
That's a drinking game.
Yeah, probably would be a better drink.
Be good for under the Christmas tree, really.
We sold the shot glasses.
The game where number 2 always wins. How much is Poopy Head?
$2.
$2?
All the board games are $2.
$2.
That'd be a great way to
7 Habits of Happy Kids. $10. Guess Who Electronic Extra. Would you do 3 for $5? 3 games for 5? Yeah.
Man, totally. She's a little over a year.
There you go.
She is cute. Thank you.
Thank you. You selling those bricks? Are those brick shoes?
No, there's no shoes in there.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Don't forget your wishes.
Yeah, my kids are gonna play it all the time. Like,
Tina, they've got the perler.
what is it?
Perler beads?
Elijah would like that one.
Does it say meow?
Yeah,
Oh, it does. Look.
it just did.
Wait. How much is the meow piano? Take that. Tina, did you see that spider thing? Is the meow piano? Thank you. We're Christmas shopping now.
Yeah, you are.
My son loves all
Oh, look at this. Tina, I have a bunch of stuff to bring out.
Where?
All those games, the big league hockey games. Yeah. Yeah, all that stuff is mine. I don't know if you wanted to. No.
Hey, you want a belt?
Maybe. I don't know if it would fit. They got Christmas stuff in this bin, Tina. Drink-O-Rama. I see that, yeah. What, Tina? Yeah, if they're cheap, if they're super cheap, yeah. Is this a costume for a dog?
Yes. My son was when he was a baby. He dressed up as a dog. No, wait. He was the monkey. And
Okay.
He dressed the dog as the banana.
We have a 12-week-old puppy, so she'll look great in that.
Yeah,
Mhm,
my
mhm.
dog was about.
All right. I don't know whose stuff I've got here.
You thought you were leaving?
Eh, I didn't. She thought we were leaving. I
Oh,
didn't.
look at that.
How much for this stuff?
So, whoop. I don't know.
That's mine.
That's
Yeah,
yours.
That's a buck.
$1.
You can
Okay.
have this and this. These are $2.
So $5.
Yeah, so 5 total. If you give me 5, I'll give her $1.
Do you trust her?
Yeah, I'm holding it up. I'm holding it up.
Oh, she's like,
I'll make the transfer.
I don't trust you.
Need an honest third
Because we
party.
don't trust each other.
All right. Thank you guys.
I took her $50 bill though.
So you have these.
Yeah, and all that.
So how much do you have? Are you doing good now?
Still not counted.
You're still missing someone.
Oh, that. We'll be back. You do end up missing things like the stuff on the ground, though. Like I didn't see this toad at all.
Yeah, you gotta take a look at everything.
This is cool. Like spy gear.
That doesn't go on to now.
A Christmas tree. Gilmore Girls. Yeah, the Pokemon and the Pokemon. Tina, look at these glasses. Do you see this Christmas tree?
You need the Elton John glasses.
They go on the Christmas.
No, did you see the Christmas tree? How much is your pirate ship up there, the Jake and the Neverland Pirates?
$4.
$4?
Yeah, it's all there. My daughter checked. Those are all hers.
Okay.
That folds too into.
I just saw it. My
Yeah.
daughter would.
We
Go
just
nuts.
redid my daughter's room, and it just.
She wants these green curtains for Christmas.
Oh.
What are these?
They have no room.
I got that from friends in Germany. They just.
Oh, interesting. Yeah.
There's
Pretty
no
cool.
room. I wish they would get rid of stuff, then I could add
Exactly.
like big stuff to their room.
I'll take the Jake thing.
Okay, great.
1, 2,
Awesome.
3. Eh, whatever. I'll give you 5 and I'll take the gingerbread men.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Because they're nifty.
Yeah, they are. Thank you.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, those are cool. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for coming to that yard sale with Tina and me. That was actually a really fun yard sale. It was like 10:30, and as I watched the footage back, I realized that even though I got a bunch of great stuff, I still managed to leave a lot behind. I definitely should have bought all those golf clubs. As I was like zooming in on them while I was editing, I was like, oh, I should have bought that one. Oh, I should have bought that one. But, you know, it's no big deal. I still found 2. Both those were worth like $30 a piece, the ones I got. That tabletop hockey game already sold for $100. I actually have to ship it out. The other hockey game looks like it's worth about $80, and that football little record game sells for about $60. So just that little game, those tabletop games are going to be over $200 in profit. I threw some comps up during the sale. A lot of great items. Some killer board game finds. I had a good feeling about that electronic Guess Who, and it did pay off. It is a good one. The poopy head I got for my kids, just because I think it'll be funny to give them that for Christmas. And the Pokemon cards, I mean, $15, it's not bad. I'm gonna probably throw them through my Whatnot auctions anyways. I do auctions on Whatnot. Links down below if you want to learn more about that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite find of the day was. Click that subscribe, and we'll see you next time.